Model, 2015 Peugeot Expert Dispatch 1000 L1h1 Professional HDI runs doesn't drive clutch. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 98,444. MOT, the 5th of April 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 UC. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Doesn't drive the clutch, will replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.